Hi, Microsoft Excel users. Welcome to our channel. If there are hundreds of blank rows needed to be removed through the whole Excel sheet, you will be frustrated. There are some methods to delete blank or empty rows from Excel sheet. Recently we have published how to remove blank or empty rows by using Go to Special command. Here, we will show you speedy method to solve this problem by using DOS for Excel Premium add-ons. In this methods, we will remove all blank rows from Excel sheet with the DOS for Excel tools. To solve this jobs, you need to open your worksheet and install DOS for Excel Premium extension. We will mention the add-ons link in the video description. After installation you will find DOS menu in your worksheet. First select the range you want to remove blank rows, click DOS tab, then in editing group, click delete drop-down menu and select color or delete rows. Step 2. In the highlight or delete rows dialog box, check delete and empty rows option. If your data have header, put the number for your header. You can remove blank rows from selected rows, current sheet or all sheet in your workbook by check these option. Step 3. Click apply. Now all blank cells in the selection will delete your empty rows within few seconds. Isn't it great? So, hope you have achieved some valuable information. If you like this demo, please subscribe our channel for more valuable tutorials. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.